There's Billy. Uh-oh, I see it's it.
Got his battery, got the battery in it?
Yep. And there's Mr. Tim. Look in the camera to me.
Time that he opened his gifts. You gotta open yours first.
They're not really expensive ones, but they're nice. The wooden ones are expensive, and you don't want them because they would get all, you know, whatever.
I wish that the front room needed most of the time anyhow.
Billy.
Well, what do you think, Grandpa? Think you like that? Got a whole bunch of goodies in there.
Yeah, I see. All kinds of something.
I made sure,
Some of them that come out of the places.
yeah,
that
there's
standing up.
kipper snaps and,
Yeah, and
This is pretty, Tammy.
butter cookies.
Mom bought this and I knew about it.
You don't know what it is.
Yes, I do.
What is it?
The candy
Put a
jar.
wrapper right here.
I was there when she bought it.
There. There it goes. Smile.
No, dear. I look silly when I smell that. Smile.
Where's Tammy?
Tammy, look at it. Oh, she's in your mom's voice.
They can hear you, Mom. They can hear what you're saying on this.
Oh, look at this.
No, there she is.
There he is.
You haven't got to turn down though.
Yeah, I do.
We bought that when I went up to Michigan so I could take some pictures of it. House on upload and stuff. I know where they take it. They show you what it looked like up there. Did you ever go out and see the house that burned? Did you ever go up and see our, you never went out back out the country to see that house that we had built that was burned?
Dad?
No, do you remember the house we
Smile.
built up in Michigan on Huff Road? You know, you never saw a brand new house we built?
Huh? Yeah. Movie camera.
I thought so, but you know, since we sold it, it burned. And I got on videotape. I was just shocked to see it burn. Just sick.
John. Smile. You're on candid camera and you got your mouth full. There's, quit picking your nose, Dad. I got you on camera. There's Bill and there's Otto. I'll go take a picture of Tim in on the bed sleeping.
Okay, what'd you get, Keith? Can you open it up?
Yeah.
What did you get?
What's in it?
No, because I've been told I got to lose weight too. I have to wear one of those patches. Yeah.
What is it, Keith?
All the time. Yeah. One round one like that.
Look at
What is it?
Dollars.
Huh?
Dollars.
Dollars. How many?
Like 5 of them.
No, just one.
I know, but it's 5 when you turn it in.
One. One.
Wink at me.
$1.
Now, Dad, you know I'm shy. You really shouldn't have that on me. I'll get all embarrassed. All right. Anyways, no. I'm just joking. Go ahead and get it back on Keith.
That's okay, I was talking to you.
Oh, okay.
I thought she was down here and got them there.
Well, he knows how to open them up, doesn't he?
Yeah. Okay. You like that, Keith? Is it
Take
fluffy?
it out of there or not?
Here, Keith.
Yeah.
Here's this. Ooh.
I can get it.
You can.
Get that out of there.
Do you need help?
You want some help with it?
Yeah, doesn't clean up, but Grandpa will help you. Tammy, I went up and I went up to John and gave him a kiss. And I just like leaned up behind him and gave him a kiss, tell him thank you. He said, thanks, dear. And then he turned around.
Can you believe him? You should be able to tell my kisses from yours by now. You hear me?
Exactly what I needed.
What do you have there, Keith?
I said he should be able to tell my kisses.
One's a Bambi and one's a Roger the Rabbit.
Wow.
You got Roger Rabbit?
Keith, show him in the camera.
No.
Why?
Granddaughter up there.
What about this one?
He's
Oh.
ready to take a nap on that.
He likes that.
Lay it on the
Look
floor,
at the
lay
other
it
side of it, Keith. It's
Open
red.
it up.
Yeah.
It's red.
Oh, sorry, Keith.
Okay, jump in and lay down. There, cover up.
They're nice.
Where'd you at?
Silly little
You gonna take a
thing.
nap now? Where'd he go?
Got it. Got it.
Shut it?
Yeah.
Where's Keith?
Wow.
There he is.
He likes that.
Well, what do you think?
I was looking at all the other ones.
He says, I'll get over there and open
You gonna go to sleep on that now?
I can't figure out what all these are over here.
Richards, he's got Rick and Grandma, okay? Oh, okay, where's... Oh, I think he handed it to me. What did I do with it? Hey, it might be right over there, Kelly.
There's one on the table.
Yeah, right over there. Okay, you gonna get ready and sing?
No, this isn't it.
No? Gonna get ready and sing for me?
Yes,
No.
hang on 1 second.
Okay. Okay, Keith. Be careful. Okay, watch it. Don't touch it. Watch it. Watch it. It's do it itself. I don't know. Put it on a box. Hey, I got this, I think. What did you do with Kelly? What? There's that. What are you eating? You're in trouble now. It's on tape. Boy, you can't walk with this thing. It's like you're blind. There. Mom's cooking. We'll never hear the end of this one.
Huh?
Tim's getting the turkey out. Smells good.
What? Where's the candy at, though?
Say, how about a cookie? Hey, Bill, when this little arrow is flashing...
It's not really light enough.
Oh.
This is nuts.
Did Tim get the turkey out? Yeah.
These are nuts. Try nuts.
Try walking in here without bumping into something. Still working on that stain, huh?
Todd did. I made a mistake when I
I said that, only just to protect Todd. 'Cause, you know, he's just a kid.
Yeah, I hear ya.
What happened?
Todd spilt my drink.
You know, you know. We
But
won't.
see, look at
we
Tim.
won't.
It was just a teeny tiny spot, like just one little teeny sip, and that was it.
Until Kelly started rubbing it around on the carpet.